Hi, my name is David Steele from Arcturus. Today I'm giving you a demonstration of our Edge AI and vision system running on the SL1680, Synaptics SL1680. Let's start maybe out with hardware first. This board is an SL1680 SOM module and board designed for smart camera applications. We're connecting directly to the HDMI. We've got a USB camera, and we can also have a MIPI camera here. And this is fully standalone, so it's running Chromium inside the device, and that creates a standalone, completely standalone smart camera system. And this is the UI, so the dashboard that's provided with that. As you can see, it's doing object detection to identify people, and then it's running 4 analytics, one for loitering, boundary crossing, occupancy, and motionless behavior. And I can click on one of those, and I can see all of the events that have happened, and I can click on those events and it will play back the video. And so this is designed for smart camera applications, for safety, security, and we can also use the same sort of software stack for other applications as well, such as industrial inspection. This second demo is also using the Synaptics SL1680, but it's using it in a slightly different way. In this case, we're using it as a 4-channel network video recorder or edge inference box. So it's running 4 streams, basically as you would a safety or security system. In this case, we're looking for loitering in this region. We're looking for people that are going in this door here. We're looking at people that cross that stairwell up here or come up these stairs. And when it occurs, I can just click on the playback view. That will bring me to this timeline, and I can see all of the events that occurred. So for example, right here, I know that there was an event of people loitering. I can just click on it, it appears, I can play back that loitering event. So really simple workflow that helps you understand, get analytics from the edge using your cameras, and helps you understand very cleanly and clearly how to use them.
Is it easy for people to understand that everything's running on this little board, and what's the use cases are that could be really special?
Yeah, I think that's key, is to really understand that everything is running in these boards. So the SL1680 has an NPU engine inside it. We're taking full advantage of that to run our models accelerated in real time. And in the case of this board, we're running the full Android desktop on top of that. Sorry, not Android desktop, this full Chromium desktop on top of that, connected right to the HDMI, so it gives us a full dashboard natively right out of the device.
Is there stuff in the open source people can find to implement these things?
Yeah, we leverage open source components for sure. The full software stack is our software stack with all of the events, notifications, playback, streaming video, video storage, all of that stuff. But we obviously take advantage of some pretty core fundamental, we step on the shoulders of giants in the open source, as we like to say. So there's lots of open source components in it too.
So this is like the more finalized kind of like setup potentially with the SOM compared to the development board?
Yeah, and there are 2 different references as well. This is specific for a low-power, compact camera. This is targeted a little bit more like an edge analytics box or a home security hub. You could think of it as that as well. So the form factor is just a little bit different, and the objectives for those from a design perspective are a little bit different.
So we did a video together a few months ago. What is the main new things that you added?
Yeah, so great question. So what we have added now is the native Chromium support inside here, which is providing this direct web dashboard right on this LCD panel. And we've also added the 4-channel support. So what we wanted to do here was we wanted to demonstrate how our software could actually scale from 1 channel to 4 channel, and also show how much capacity the SL1680 has in terms of its overall horsepower to be able to go from 1 channel to 4 channel.
And the Chromium, it's useful to have multi-device access to this UI, so you don't need to do native apps and stuff like that?
So in this case, you wouldn't need a PC to access it. We have a mouse connected via USB. It's all completely standalone. So I've got a standalone display, a mouse that's connected via USB, a USB camera. It's all one system. It requires no external connectivity at all.